Hi, Year 4, it's me again. So let's look at a recap. So yesterday we looked at and wrote the features of a non-chronological report, the meaning of the suffix ology, and the introduction to our guidebooks. Today we are going to write a fact file, also known as a non-chronological report, about a goblin we have created together. And this is something we added at the end of my last recording. So before I forget, you were asked to create your front covers and content page. Okay, page. Lovely, just so I don't forget. Okay, so before we go on to making our fact files and creating our goblins, let's do a quick revision task on grammar terminology. Watch the video about what is an expanded noun phrase, and you can use this in WordMap, which is also on our pupil portal, just as a guidance for when you are asked to use them. So we need determiners, adjectives, and the noun. Determiner, adjectives, and noun. So I have some goblins here, and I've written some facts about them. 4 facts about a star goblin. They live on top of stars. They can fly. Star goblins are very small. They enjoy having parties on the moon. Hello, my name is Twinkledust, and I am a star goblin. 4 facts about a cupboard goblin. They live in food cupboards. They are greedy. Cupboard goblins wear big black boots. They are excellent at cooking. Hello, my name is Muncher, and I am a cupboard goblin. 4 facts about a grass goblin. They can often be found in gardens. They like stealing garden gnomes. Grass goblins love to eat red and yellow roses. They are very good at making slime and leaving it in gardens. Hello, my name is Greenblade, and I am a grass goblin. So hopefully this has given you some idea of what kind of goblins we can create today, and these images will probably be helpful too. So have a think of what we need to know to describe our goblin. We need to think about what they look like. What surprising features do they have? Do they leave slime? Are they greedy? Where do they live? Do they live in the sky? Do they live in the clouds? Do they live in ponds? Do they live in a tree? And their dietary needs. That means, what do they eat? What do they like to feast upon? When you're thinking about your character, your goblin, you can draw it out. And around it, you can answer all of these facts: appearance, surprising features, habitat, and dietary needs. But have at the back of your mind what kind of expanded noun phrases you would use to make your description better. Use these images to help if you need. So quickly have a draw. Start thinking of adjectives to describe your goblin. Answer these 4 needs as well that we need to remember. So you don't have these 4 things, it's going to be really difficult to describe our goblins. Now, draw your goblin. You can use this activity, or you can just use your own paper. It doesn't matter, you don't have to print this. And think about what kind of goblin you're going to create. Cupboard goblin, sky goblin, cloud goblin, under the stairs goblin, a monster goblin, a sink goblin. Loads of types of goblins I'm coming up with. So hopefully you come up with some as well. We're not just going to leave it as a drawing though, and some facts. We're going to up-level our writing. So have a look at this paragraph about the grass goblin. What do you notice about how the facts have been written? Unsurprisingly, the vast majority of grass goblins can be found in gardens because they love to eat red and yellow roses. Interestingly, most grass goblins like stealing garden gnomes and leaving behind their slime. What words have I used to help me join my facts together? What words have I used? Unsurprisingly and interestingly. What kind of words are they? Vast majority and most. What are they? They're telling me how many. So what kind of words are they? Because and. What kind of words are they? If we look at this table here, we have a collection of adverbials and conjunctions. But what type of conjunctions and adverbials are they? Have a think. This is your main task. So from your drawing and your facts, you are going to write, you're going to join your facts together. Okay? So use this word box, word bank, and add them into your facts. So in total, it should look like this, one paragraph, or you might have 2 paragraphs to describe your goblin, depending on how much you have written already. Try and challenge yourself and include an expanded noun phrase. And of course, don't forget to use capital letters and full stops. Good luck.